Welcome to my friends, all of you, on another session of the NCERT 7th Geography, Chapter 1st Environment. What is the environment? The place, people, things, and the nature that surround any living organism is called environment. Environment is a combination of the natural and human-made phenomena. While the natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic conditions existing on the Earth's surface. The environment is our basic life support system. It provides us the air that we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat, and the land where we live. What is the biotic and abiotics? The biotic, the world of the living organisms such as plants and animals are called the biotic. Abiotic means the world of the non-living elements such as the land are called abiotic. The components of the environment such as natural component, human-made component, and human are the components of the environment. What is the natural environment? The land, water, air, plants, and animals comprise the natural environment. We are now about the lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere in the previous classes. But in this chapter, we discuss more details. What is the lithosphere? About the lithosphere we know about in the previous chapter, but in this chapter we discuss more details. So lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of the soil. It is a irregular surface with various landforms. These landforms such as the mountains, plateau, plains, valleys. It is also discussed in the previous chapter. Landforms are found on the continent and also on the ocean floor as well. The lithosphere is the domain that provides us forests, grasslands for the grazing, land for agriculture and human settlements. It is also a source of the minerals. That means the lithosphere is very important for us. Hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is the domain of water is referred to as the hydrosphere. It comprises the various sources of the water and different types of the water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. The water is essential for all living organisms. Atmosphere. The atmosphere is the thin layer of the air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth is hold the atmosphere around it. It protects us from the harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. It consists of the number of gases, dust and water. Changes in the atmosphere produce the changes in the weather and climate. Biosphere. The biosphere is the plants and animal kingdoms together make the biosphere or the living world. It is a narrow zone of the earth where the land, water and air interact with each other and to support the life. What is the ecosystem? Ecosystem is a system formed by interaction of all living organisms with each other and with the physical and the chemical factors of the environment in which they live, all linked by transfer of energy and material. All plants, animals and human beings depends on their immediate surroundings. Often they are also interdependent on each other. This relation between the living organisms as well as the relation between the organisms and their surroundings form an ecosystem. There could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountains, lakes, river, ocean and even a small pond as well can be an ecosystem. Do you know that on 5 June every year the World Environment Day is celebrated? The human environment. Human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their need. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surrounding. They led a simple life and fulfilled their requirement from the nature around them. With time needs the grave and become more varied. Humans learn new ways to use and change the environment. They learn to grow crops, domesticate the animal, and lead to the settled life. What is the barter system? It is a trade in which the goods are exchanged without the use of money. The word origin. Environment is a French word, environner. Environner meaning neighborhood. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.